Like all emerging technologies, there can be misconceptions as we learn how to use it. And with all complexities surrounding AI, there's no shortages of myths. Alyssa and Sarah, since you're the experts on all things tech and AI, I'm going to read some myths. And then I would love if the both of you could help debunk them. Are you guys up for it? All right. Okay. So, first up, Sarah, are AI and machine learning the same thing?
Okay, so this is a common confusion. Machine learning is simply under the umbrella of AI.
All right, over to you, Alyssa. Is AI a good way to get unbiased information?
Sadly, it is not. AI is really only as good as the data that it has access to and the data that it's built on. And of course, that data really comes typically from human sources, from how we live our lives and the things that we do every day. And there's bias everywhere we go in society. And so that bias is often built into the AI tools.
Can only big companies or organizations benefit from AI?
Absolutely not. We can all benefit from AI, and we already do benefit from it. So, we talked previously about streaming services as an example, but most people are already benefiting from the AI tools that are being built into Amazon and Google and Meta, which can also be used in a business setting.
Okay, the last one and the most widely talked about one I hear about, it's the myth everyone talks about, how AI can replace humans. Alyssa, can you explain why this is not the case?
Yeah, there's a lot of misconception around this one, but I really feel and believe that AI is not a replacement for humans. It can really help humans to do tasks that would normally be very repetitive or boring, but it doesn't have the full suite of human ideas and intellect and understanding. And so humans are really, really critical for a lot of higher order cognition and being able to do tasks that require more than one skill at a time, and especially those skills that require human understanding and empathy. And so I don't think that there's a risk that all jobs will be taken over by robots anytime soon.
Excellent. Well, thanks, Alyssa and Sarah, for your expertise. And as we've learned, there are so many benefits to AI, but also a few drawbacks when it comes to ethics and misinformation. Our last video will go over some steps you or your kids can take to evaluate information generated from AI, so keep watching.